Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. So the summer is not over yet, you guys. I think summer in September 20 something. I'm gonna do like a series of summer ain't over. Oh, I hate improper English. Summer ain't over. It's gonna be the title, a series of summer ain't over type of videos where I just do like little makeup looks that I wish I probably could have, woulda, shoulda worn during the summer, but I didn't do anything. So I hope you guys enjoy these next few little makeup looks or whatever, and then I'm gonna start doing more makeup looks in the fall, hopefully. Let's speak it into existence, because so anyway, I've been rambling. Oh, to start off, I prime my eyes using my LA Girl Pro in Fawn and in the yellow corrector. For my eyes, I use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I went in with this brown and then I kind of just blew it out, and this yellow looks very bright on the camera. However, that's more true to color for what I see. And then I used this green here, and I started off by taking that yellow on my outer corners. I did go back in with the yellow corrector just to kind of have a brighter base for this mustard yellow, and then I used the green just to, I think this is called a halo lid if we're being technical about things, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just plopped that green in the center and kind of like went across the top like After that, I went in with my Becca primer. It is still product left in there, and I'm going to squeeze it all out. So I just used that to prime my face. After that, I used my Becca, can y'all see this? My Becca Aqua Luminous. I absolutely love this bottle. The foundation is, yeah, it's mess. Okay, if you have really bad skin, I wouldn't recommend using this. However, it's very luminous and perfect for the summer, but it's not, I wouldn't consider this to be like super full coverage or anything. But my favorite feature is the pump applicator at the very top. For concealer, I do have the Aqua Luminous concealer by Becca, but I opted to use the Ultimate Coverage foundation, and this is in the shade Tobacco. And I'm sorry, but the foundation that I use, the Aqua Luminous foundation, is in the shade Deep Bronze. To contour, I use the Super Stay multi-use foundation stick, and this is in the shade Espresso. I don't like these, they move around a lot, and if you let them dry down too much, it's very hard to blend out. Following that, I used my contour palette by Black Radiance. I used this middle shade to warm up my face, the perimeters of my face. Next, I used my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown, and this little brush from Sephora. Don't really like that either. Still don't know how I feel about the pomade. I think it's just a learning curve. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This liner is super bomb. If you have trouble with liquid liner, change the product. I would definitely recommend trying this one. After I did that, I went in and I set my face, my under eye concealer with the Sasha Buttercup, and I think this is, I don't remember if this one is the light or the dark. I think it might be the dark. But I started off setting this by just smoothing out my under eye creases, and then immediately after that I applied a little bit of powder kind of worked it in so that way it wouldn't be really heavy and chunky. And then I just went ahead and I did baking. Afterwards, I went ahead and dusted that off. This lighting that I chose to record in is probably not the absolute best, but yeah. For my lips, I used my Kiss liner in, what shade is this? Dark brown. And I decided to overline because I like overlining my lips because I want big juicy lips. And in the center, I used Peach Stock by MAC, which is one of my favorites. For my waterline, I used my NYX pencil in white. And to finish the whole look, I went in with my Chantilly Cosmetics. I found this off of Instagram. I love this highlighter. I also have it in another shade, Rose Gold. It's super, super pretty. And they are like $8 and they always have a sale. So I definitely recommend picking this up. And the one I have is in the shade Honey Bunches. Super, super pretty, super pretty. So I just sprayed my hair with some water and that was pretty much it. I didn't do anything to my hair. But yeah, I don't know what I would have. I have on blue right now, a blue dress, and I didn't feel like this would go well with the look. So I just kind of pulled it down so you know it's not clashing. I don't know what I would have worn with this look, but I definitely think this would have been something I wore for this summer. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.